Mera kort. Här är från Letitia och Vanessa och Annabelle och Daniel.
Ah,
Ja.
wow,
I
man.
want to read a book.
Okay, you can read a book.
And this one.
Oh, what's this
What
one?
is that?
This is the lite armbåndet.
Ja. Fina. You can do this. Look, you can also do this. Or you can do this. Is that cute?
Yay.
Den också. Andra armen.
What was that one?
Ballong som har gått sönder. Balloon that just
Popped.
popped.
Why?
De gör det ibland. You have to be careful. Sometimes